Hi guys, so today we're going to go over this word problem where they model the function using a sine function, and I'm going to circle that here. Notice that we're given the vertical translation because this is technically inside of the parentheses for sine, plus 5 is outside the parentheses, which is a vertical translation. It's also known as the value of d. So with that, I'm just going to give you a general view of how it looks. So if this were a sine wave, let's say A were right here, this value, the maximum, would be the amplitude plus 5. And let's say the value of A down here. If I were to take the amplitude minus 5, that would be the minimum. And then finally, for one full period from one max to the other, would be also up here. So just a little insight on what they've given us so far. And it says that it fluctuates with regard to the height between 4 to 6 meters. So we know that dealing with the height is the y value. And if I were to take the value of the amplitude and add 5 to it, which we know is the max, it should range from either 4 to 6 meters. So solving these values, I will get A equals to -1, and here, subtracting 5 on both sides, A will equal to 1. A being the amplitude, remember that the amplitude is always the absolute value of A. So in this case, if I take the absolute value of either one of these, it will equal to 1. So we've actually got the first answer so far from that. Now, it also states that there is 16 seconds between the maximum. That means from one max to the other max value, it's 16 seconds, which from one max to the other max value is one full cycle, known as one period. And we're going to switch the page for this one. What we know about one period is that it equals to 2 pi over b. Now remember, they told us that the period, or the time between the maximums, is 16 seconds. So if I take 16 equals 2 pi over b, I'm going to multiply b on both sides. This will give me 16b equals 2 pi, and then from there divide 16 on both sides. I'm going to reduce this fraction, and that will give me b equals pi over 8. So now we have the value of A and B. All right, guys, hope this helps.